First, remove the door edge rubber strip. Control the force to avoid scratches. After removing the buckles on the threshold strip, take off the threshold strip decorative panel, corresponding original car connector. Then plug in and secure the product main unit. Remove the rearview mirror glass by pulling it out gently. Then use a screwdriver to take off the mirror adjustment assembly. Remove the rearview mirror adjustment assembly. Locate the original car connector on the rearview mirror assembly. Adapt and firmly plug the product wire into it. Reinstall the mirror adjustment assembly. Finally, replace it with the PSD-specific rearview mirror glass with triangle light. Tighten the adjustment assembly with a screwdriver. Organize its signal receiver box. Reset the BSD-specific mirror glass with triangle light. End the installation.